Mini DisplayPort 1. 2 cable. This 3 feet, 1 meter, Mini DisplayPort V1. 2 cable supports 4K x 2K video. 3840 by 2400p 60 Hz, 21. 6 gigabits per second bandwidth. HBR2, 8ch audio, multi-stream transport, MST, GTC for precise audio channel timing 3D stereo. 2560 by 1600p 120 Hz. Reliable design. Durable ABS connectors with flexible PVC strain relief and jacket prevents fraying or damage from bending or rough usage. Metal connector provides ME shielding. Works with Thunderbolt 2 ports. Quality construction. 30 Aruban fluorines wire with gold-plated connectors for improved signal integrity reliability. Superior ME shielding with double-sided copper foil provides higher quality video and audio. MDP cable is backward compatible with DP1. 1. Applications. Ideal for home, office, boardroom, classroom. Works with laptop. With TB2, Mini DP port, professional workstations with FirePro W9100 8100s, NVS 810 510ths graphic card, UHD, 4K monitor, projector, display. Apple MacBook Pro, Air, Microsoft Surface Pro 1-6 specs. 3 feet, 1 meter, black Mini DP cable, DisplayPort V1. 2. 30 Aruban fluorines. PVC jacket, shield. Al-Mylar foil with braid. Protocols. HBR2, MST, GTC. Note: this is not a Thunderbolt cable, and therefore does not work for Thunderbolt peripherals, displays, docks, drive enclosures, audio interfaces, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Works with late 2009 27 inches iMac in target display mode. I use this cable with my 2013 Mac Pro. Trashcan, connected to my old 2009 27 inches iMac in target display mode. No issues, and it's a great way to keep an old iMac useful. I've tried other cables and they do not work with the 2009 iMac, probably because they are Thunderbolt 2 and not DisplayPort.